Hello students, very good morning to all. Welcome back to English class. In today's class we are going to identify the sound looking at the pictures. We have already learned the CH, SH and TH sound, right? You know that very well. Now let's do an activity from your activity book volume 1. Open page number 12. Now when you look into the picture, you can see all the pictures are noun. In the page number 13 you have nouns, but you have to look at the picture and you have to circle the correct sound. You have to look at the pictures, what they have given pictures, and they have given you three sounds: CH, SH and TH, that is ch, sh and th and th. Now look at the first picture. What you can see in the picture? Who is this? This is a child, right? Child. When I pronounce this or when I say this, what sound you are getting? Child. Ch sound, right? So circle that. We are getting CH sound, that is child. Ch sound. Look at the next picture. What is that? Cash. Cash. Which sound is coming here? Sh. That is SH sound. Circle that. Now look at the third picture. The third picture, what is it? It's a chick, right? Chick. Ch sound again. So circle CH. Now look at the fourth picture. What is it? It's a fish. Which sound is coming here? Ending SH, right? Sh. So circle SH. Now the fifth picture is, look at the number 30. So what's the sound, beginning sound? Th, right? Th. So TH, circle TH. Here we have a next picture, that is shoes. Shoes. What sound did you hear, children? Sh, right? Shoes. So circle SH. Now look at this picture. Guess what it is? It's a teacher. Teacher. So which sound is coming? Ch. T. Ch. Char. CH sound. So circle CH. Next picture is brush. Brush. Which sound did you hear, children? Sh. SH sound, right? So circle SH. Here we go with the next picture. Look at this picture. What is it, children? It's a shirt. Sh. What sound it? Beginning sound is SH, right? Sh. So circle SH. Now look at this picture. What do we call this as? We call this as archery. Okay, archery. So what sound is coming here? What sound did you observe, children? It's ch, right? Archery. Cherry. CH sound. So what you have to do? Take a pencil and circle CH. Now will you do the remaining, children? Will you identify? This is thief. Bench. Bench. Chips. Chips. Identify the sounds. Okay. Earth. Earth. Okay. Cashew. Cashew. Okay. The last one is mouth. Mouth. Identify. Remaining 7, you have to look at the picture, read it, pronounce it and identify the sound. That is your homework, children. Okay, try to do that. Have a good day, children. Take care. Bye bye.